It's this beautiful moment, because what we see here with regards to humankind's notion of personhood is that it's a corporate personhood. Is that to understand what it means to be a human person isn't simply to be a unique individual surrounded by all these other unique individuals made in the same way, but rather we are in a sense incomplete. We can't even name who we are. We have no identity if we are not in a relationship to another human person. In fact, look at the poem that Adam offers to us. This one at last, bone of my bones and flesh of my flesh. They're bound to one another. The very notion of personhood here is found here in this relationship. From Isha, only once that's named can I actually now have an understanding of myself. And then what we will see come chapter 3 is a fall, is a disruption, is a rupture of this human-to-human relationship. What is this tree? The first thing I think we have to assert is that the tree of knowledge and good and evil, because God made it, it is therefore good. We were told that everything God makes in this garden is, in fact, good. You shall not be like gods. And so the question, the objections often raised to this story is, why would God create something good, that is, the knowledge of good and evil, and then tell them no, and tell them no in perpetuity? It is a knowledge of good and evil.